Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hi guys, welcome back to the Ibexis channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and those that joined us in the party, thank you so much. Ellis had fun. She had an amazing time. I've just decided to film the making of that party. You can party, you can have fun regardless of the space. So yes, I got the caterer to give us some nice dishes. As you can see, the chicken, grilled chicken, peppered. We have the jollof rice for all my African people. You know what jollof rice is? Yum, yum, tasty. We also have some garnish fish and prawn. So yeah, this video is about how we make the party, because you all join us live, but the making of the party wasn't as easy as you see. I had to blow up the balloons myself and get the birthday girl. So this video you're going to be seeing the surprise, because it was actually a surprise. It was a surprise in the morning when she wake up and she saw all the amazing stuff. She was really amazed. So yeah, sit tight and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy us making more videos, more vlogs. Subscribe to our channel and please hit the notification button so you don't miss any more of their videos. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you and happy view.
I'm going to be singing happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me today.
So these are used to blow like balloons.
I want to say happy. Today is my birthday. I want to say happy. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Elise.
Hope you had a nice birthday.
This is the song to cheer you up. Oh, guys, we didn't know that you were there. Sorry. So we're doing that also today, guys. So tomorrow's my birthday.
So tomorrow is Elise's birthday, and we're just gonna be doing like live videos, having some fun, just playing around, and yeah, playing some games.
So and right now I can't wait. So guys, let me show you something, guys. So
that's nice.
So guys, this is my cake and the decoration. Oh, and my sister's balloon. When is her birthday? Her birthday is not far. She's gonna be 10 next year.
Done.
Wait.
Done.
Okay. Yay!
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Have you seen it? Come and see your table.
Yup. And I got my cake. And the adult drink. And the children drink.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Let me show you your treats. This and this one.
Oh. So, Mommy, have you filled the pinata?
Pinata? I think so. Come and touch it. Feel heavy?
No.
Look.
It feels heavy.
Yeah. You excited now?
Mhm.
So you ready to come and party?
Mhm. So what do we do first?
What do you want to do?
First, I want to enjoy.
You want to enjoy?
Enjoy these. Some these stuff. What's this? I don't know, but it says it's Batman's. It's Batman. I don't know, but what is these? Okay.
First, we need to get your hair done and get you
Okay.
ready for your party.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we do first?
We do your hair.
Okay. So
All right.
okay.
About 78 pounds.
Exactly. So if I have that kind of thing, if I have 2 or 3,
like a disco.
you understand?
Yeah, cool. You know what you can do in the garage?
Garage.
Like a garage or something.
Garage here.
They would be a better option. You pay 20.
I used to supply. He's still supplying things to them.
Okay, and I'll turn it
So he
around.
said where he rent is where Thames Mills.
Yeah. Across the river.
Wait, I'm gonna make
He says
that.
he said £1,000 for
We have a
a
one.
warehouse. Big one at the
Oh,
yeah.
that's nice.
For most, yeah. So those things, if you look into it,
And look at the envelope. It's all plain white.
where it come from?
Just plain white.
Where to?
It's a bag. And the bag. The bag. The
Of
bag.
course, of course.
Yeah.
You don't like
Let's
working
play
for somebody.
something
Yeah.
with
Not nice.
Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that I'm holding a heavy bag.
You don't have time for yourself. They don't pay a good
And
money.
I would want
So yes, that is the end of the preparations. So if you haven't seen the actual birthday party video, is right up on our channel. Just go on to videos where it says live stream, because it was a live streamed event for 2 hours. So yes, it's a long one. Grab yourself a popcorn and some drinks and view that video. The party was fun. We had loads of games and it was really fun. So yeah, thank you for watching once again, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, and watch series of all their videos. They've got some fun videos, some educating video out there. They have other videos out there. They have episodes, Saturday Sisters. Just view all their videos and you would actually love it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this mini section of video on how I put together this beautiful party in my living room. It's actually done in our living room. The space is very small, but we made it happen for Princess He. And believe me, you can also do the same thing wherever you are. You can always make party in your living room too.
And make
So-
sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell on, and follow subscribe button if you can. And by the way, if you can't hear me, I'll say it again. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell on, and follow us and subscribe if you can. And I hope that you like my party. And now I'm 6. I'm no more 5, guys. This was the last time I was 5 was when we were decorating. So yeah, guys.
So you have the birthday girl right. So bye guys.